Ano ba ito? Ano na po yung hair ko? What happened? Share, like them. Share, like, and comment down, comment. Right? Jesus. Mga props sa mga panaga ng Inday now. Hello everyone, and see you again on my Friday live. Hello, shout out to everyone. Thank you for coming on live to watch, guys. By viewing on my live, you can help and support my channel. Share live. Please comment down, comment, and enjoy watching our live. You can comment and be a good comment, make a good. Okay na. Hindi na pa. Talagang na digital siya na style mo. And huwag mo siya. Bakit din talaga yung style niya. Nakita ko rin. Sa ganda mo man. Ganon. Maganda ba ang chubby? Wala na akong ano. Mamatod ka lang. Yan pa lang ha. Stay tuned to my channel. I'm to share naman ang live. Nag-live lang tayo guys. Live. Kasi tigda na lang. Ay, may paganggang pa siya. Charot. May sakbong. Live sa tani kong nabuhi sa kanagat. Para mabawi niya itong pagwapang na props. Kasi nag-enjoy ako sa ano eh. Ay, support niyo. Comment my 19 viewers, please like and share, and also join my membership guys na nakakaintindi na Tagalog. I am here, nandito ako sa almost every night going live, so please help me guys. This is my work now kasi I don't have work, so I need to work as a YouTuber for now because I need to be with my son every day in school, so I don't have anybody to see my son in school, send and at home, so I'll be the one to to do the task as a single mom, to guide my son in school because he's only 6 years, also grade 1 pupil, so my mother is 72 years old. We can't go to, it's 78, almost 80. Hindi na niya kayang maghatid sundo ng anak ko. So, dalawa ang nalagaan ko, my mother and my son.